Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're having Burger King. I have the new fried pickle Whopper. I have their new mozzarella sticks. I have their new fried pickles underneath, and I have their new fries. I know it looks like they're kind of empty, but that's how they filled it up. You see? And no, there's no cheese pull because it took forever for me to get this set up. Set up. That was a little one. Mm-mm-mm. They do have a cheese ball. I thought it wasn't going to have a cheese ball. So I have Chick-fil-A sauce behind the boxes. I do have some ketchup, but I'm not really a big ketchup person. I'll probably eat a little bit of the ketchup. I have a Coke here on the side. This is their new fried pickle. Ooh. Yeah, you see the inside? Mm-mm-mm. So, the one thing I hate about Burger King is that their Whoppers, they come apart so easily. They're too messy to eat. But anyways, this is what it looks like on the inside. I took out the tomatoes because I hate tomatoes. Maybe I should lay some napkins because it's dirty right here. It'll be falling off. Okay. Honestly, it's a little bland for me. Um, they're supposed to have a ranch sauce, and it has something on there. It looks like more like mayo than it does ranch. And then fry my my fried pickles were supposed to come with a Hidden Valley ranch, and I never got that. But it was a busy location. We live by the airport, so it's whatever. I know what Hidden Valley ranch tastes like. So they're mozzarella sticks. They're all right. Not as good as Arby's, but they're good. Nice and crunchy. Now normally I would get the onion rings from Burger King instead of their fries. Their fries are all right, but I my go-to is their onion rings. Her side. You know what Burger King reminds me of is when I used to live in Korea. I went to middle school in Korea, and then my freshman year, and then a little bit of my sophomore year in Korea, and we were allowed to go to Burger King on base. There's a couple places we could have gone to. They do have a cafeteria, but we could have gone to Pizza Hut. We could have gone to a little gas station. We could have gone to Burger King, Charlie's. What else? I think that was it. But that was something that we had the privilege of doing, and we were excited to do when we were younger. Mm-mm-mm. This also has Swiss cheese, which I really like. And now that I got more of the burger taste, it tastes good. Mm-mm-mm. Yes, please. Give me this pickle. I like a good fried pickle, but these are just lacking a little bit of the pickle flavor for me. It's more like the breading taste that I'm getting. Mm. So last weekend we went bull riding, which was a lot of fun. Um, I wish that we could have spent another day watching it. I really enjoyed it. It's crazy how people can hang on to those bulls for 8 seconds. And some of them were like 40 years old going against these 18-year-olds. And then I went to the dentist. I don't like my new dentist. Well, it's because I'm going on Fridays. Normally, I have this redhead. She does my teeth. She cleans my teeth, but normally she works during the weekdays now. So I haven't been getting her because I've only been able to go on Fridays since that's my only weekday off. So and finally I scheduled it on a Monday, so that way I'll be able to get my regular dentist. But anyways, I spent time with my family after that. And then this week we're going to tonight we're gonna start prepping stuff for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're gonna be celebrating Thanksgiving with my mom and my brother. So that'll be nice. Mm. Oh no, the pickle fell out. Oh no. So, yeah, so we did that. And this weekend, oh, John's gonna do tour to Tucson this weekend on Saturday. Um, that's where he bikes around town. I think he said it was something like 14 miles. Mm-mm. He went 14 miles yesterday. It's 63 miles or 64 miles that he has to bike. He's been excited because this is his first time doing it. And then he also joined a biking club with the military. I'm happy for him because he'll get to make some new friends, and that's something he enjoys doing. So, I saw somewhere. This is the question of the day. What is something you would tell yourself, your younger self? Let me take another bite. something that I would tell my younger self. Well, there's a few things. The first thing is not to compare yourself with others. everyone has everyone is different, you know? We're not the same person. Everyone's going to have a different path in life. So I think that was really hard for me to get when I was younger because everyone went to a university and I went to a community college, which is okay. Not every, it was cheaper, first off. Second off, half of the people who even went to college, they either dropped out or they ended up doing something that they didn't even get their degree in, So it's not for everyone. And I did do a year, but I was majoring in biology, something I didn't like. So I got an associate's in biology, and then I came back and went through nursing. But yeah, everyone's not going to have the same pathway, Everyone's a different person, and everyone has, like, what, say if I did nursing right away, that's what I really wanted to do. But I followed what my parents were telling me, and they wanted me to become a linguist or a doctor. They wanted me to do microbiology. Like, I don't regret it. I think things happen in life for a reason. And I think that I wouldn't be who I am today if I did, if I did nursing to begin with, if I didn't take that different path, because I definitely wasn't ready to go into a university. And yeah, I just think that you shouldn't compare yourself to others. It's not healthy. It's just you're just gonna go down a rabbit hole towards something that's not healthy, and it's just not good for you. Another thing is that I wish I would have made more of my time when I was younger. Like, I wish I would have lived more in the moment. I wish I would have done more things. Um, I had really strict parents. Um, I wasn't able to leave or do anything unless it was school related, or unless it was my dog's sighing over there. Yeah, so I wasn't really allowed to do anything unless it was school related or church related. So I wish that I would have joined more clubs. And I'm not telling everyone that what they're doing is wrong. Like, if you don't want to join clubs, don't join clubs. But for me specifically, I wish I would have done more. And my parents were strict. I'm not saying to disobey your parents, but me, I wish I kind of would have rebelled a little bit because they were too strict. And because I'm the first child, my brother got treated differently. Um, but yeah, that was probably my only regret of high school, is that I didn't make more of my time. I didn't enjoy it, you know. Mm-mm-mm. Another thing. This is more for when I was in college. I would tell my younger self, don't worry about being in a relationship. You see your friends are in a relationship. You don't have to be in a relationship. And That was something I focused a lot on, was dating. And I think that took away from me studying. I honestly think that if I worried less about dating, then I would have finished school. I was too focused on other things, and I didn't make school my priority. So, I didn't do as well in school. Um, I think that it just John, he came to me in my life where I least expected it. Like, I was okay with being alone, and he came into my life when I didn't expect it, when I wasn't looking for a relationship per se. Like, yeah, I didn't want to be with someone, but I was okay with being single. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh. Another thing I would say is that not everyone's your friend. I used to I used to trust people so easily, and then that used to bite me back. Used to come back to me, and I just gotta say, like, if you're gonna tell someone something, you gotta be careful of who you're saying it to. As a friend, I'm not gonna tell you what you want to hear. I'm gonna tell you what I think you should hear. You know, but again, I wouldn't change anything because I wouldn't be the person I am today if I did change everything. But I wish I would have known now. I wish I would have known now what I know, so that way my life could have been easier, you know. Mm. The Chick-fil-A sauce with the fried pickles, woo, that's good. Honestly, I think I would prefer the Whopper by itself without the fried pickles on it. It's good, but I'd rather have the Whopper by itself. I wish I was able to open up easier too. That's something that I wish I did more when I was younger. Just be open to more new experiences. Um, to just enjoy life. You know, I'm still kind of shy, but I'm not as bad as what I used to be when I was younger. I'm definitely coming more into my own. Um, I have more of a say with my life, so I've been much happier. But yeah, um, so you guys tell me something in the comments about what you would tell your younger self. And thank you guys for watching. I know I'm kind of quiet today, but I'm just I've been stressed lately about my life. I with work, with school, with the uncertainty, but that's not anything I could really change. But at the end of the day, I know everything's gonna be okay. But yes, thank you guys for watching. You guys are always there for me, and I love, 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 love if you guys would comment in the comments. I like reading the comments and replying to you guys. Anyways, you guys have a good week, and thanks again for watching. Bye.